This tutorial is going to show you how to use one of Canvas's really awesome features called ARC. So ARC is a place where you can record or add video and then have comments leading to discussions on that video. So from your course page, just go down and find ARC and go ahead and click it. Now your page will be blank. I've already added a video here. So once you've started adding videos, they'll show up. And if you have a bunch, you're going to be able to search your own videos here with the search bar. But what you can do is you can see you can record a video. So you can do a screen capture or a webcam capture, make your own video. And you can also add a video. So if you have a video you've already made, if it's one you've already downloaded, you can drag and drop it here. You can also find it right from YouTube. So the videos that you add are totally up to you. I'm going to show you in this one how to add a YouTube video and then start a discussion. So let's say I want to teach my students how to tie a Windsor knot, right? So it's something that I think they need to know. So what you're going to do is just grab that URL, paste it in. You'll wait until the ad pops up and then you can go ahead and click add. So now I've added this to my ARC library, if you will. And you can view the page from here, so I can start editing it, adding comments, captions, things like that. Insights are going to show you when students start and stop watching it, right? So maybe you'll notice everyone ends around 140, things like that. But the coolest feature is comments, because once you've added a comment, you're able to start a discussion. So you might start by asking your students, do you already know how to tie a Windsor knot? And once you've added your comment, students are going to be able to reply to it, right? So you might have some that are questions that would lead to discussion. You might have others that are more of just comments for students. So you might say here, please pause here and add this to your notes, right? So anything you kind of want students to know, you're able to comment on the video. So you can build it right here in this ARC tab, but you can also build it within your module. So if I go to my home page, if I want this ARC as part of my Bat House unit, I'm going to go ahead and add the plus sign here. I'm going to add it as a page. So I'm going to call this new page. Oops, sorry, page. I'm going to call this Windsor knot. And once you've added that page, what you'll notice is that ARC is now an option for you in the text box. So when I go to my text box, computer's going a little slow, here we go. When I go to my text box, right, when I click on ARC, I'm going to pick the video I want. Okay, so I'm going to do this, how to tie a Windsor knot, and I'm going to embed it. And the way it embeds is really cool because, let me go ahead and save and publish. The whole thing embeds right in. So as students open this page on my course, they have the video, but they also have the discussion right beneath it, right? So you can actually assign them to watch this. So let's see what it looks like from student view. So I'm going to come back to home. I'm going to go to my student view. And then I'm going to come down here to the page Windsor knot. And you can see as a student, I can watch the video while I'm taking part in the discussion. So as a student, I could say, no, I don't know how to. I am hoping this video will teach me. And you can see you actually start a little discussion board. So it's a really interesting feature. Because of the analytics, it also lets you know if students have watched the videos you want them to watch. You can kind of see like, okay, like Fred, you didn't do well on the quiz, but you also never watched the video that was covering the topic. So it's just an interesting way to kind of get feedback on your video, start a discussion, and also check in with students to see how they are understanding. So again, it's in the feature ARC. You can add videos, you can record videos, however you want to do it. Let me know if you have questions.